Alright, so today you guys are going to give me the definitions for the 5 health-related fitness components. You guys should have given me those yesterday. That was your assignment. And then you're just going to list the 6 components of fitness, the skill-related components of fitness. So they're 2 different things. You got 5 health-related and 6 skill-related. And I have them numbered. You're just going to list them. I don't want the definitions right now. So up here I have the 5 health-related components already written out for you. I'm going to give you 2 links. This link, they have what looks like long definitions, but a lot of this is examples and stuff like that. So in each one, the first sentence is usually the definition or a shortened version of a definition. So do not copy and paste all of these paragraphs. Just go in and give me the first sentence and make sure it makes sense. So this, for muscular strength, this is the power that helps you to lift and carry heavy objects. So that is the end of that definition. So go ahead and you can copy and paste that first sentence. So you need to do that with each of the 5. So down here for body fat composition refers to the amount of fat on your body. That's all you gotta copy and paste. Now you do need to read these paragraphs and get familiar with each of these because we're gonna do different assignments that relate to the 5 health-related components of fitness. And then this link, again, right here, you've already done this part, and then below it lists the 6 skill-related fitness components. And I just want you to list them. You don't need to give me the definition, so don't even waste your time with that. I just want you to list the 6, and you're only giving me the definition for these up here. So this has both of the fitness components we're going to be talking about this week. So again, simple definitions for these 5, and then just list the 6 skill-related components of fitness down here. And once you upload your document, make sure you go in and take your attendance. And if you have questions, just email me and let me know.